Hello guys, welcome you all in my another video. Today I am going to unbox Flipkart Smartbuy hand blender. A hand blender is a tool which is used to blend things such as juice and some of dry fruits and even yogurt, and it is very handy tool. I will show you the package. I ordered it via Flipkart, so this is how I received my package. So inside a Flipkart box there is again a box. Talking about Flipkart Smartbuy brand, Flipkart always keep their packaging into low design because their saying is like they reduce the cost in shipping and packaging and they increase the quality by cost cutting here. So anyhow, we need the product in great and good condition. So let us cut the seal and check what's inside. First we have the main unit here, and next the lower part of this body. So then the user manual. So make sure you read the user manual whenever you are in trouble with the product. It will surely help you. This portion of this blender is blade 1, which is the actual rotor of the hand blender. So this is the main unit which has motor in it. So I will quickly open the plastic wrap and show you what's inside. The plastic wrap, it's also in a very low quality, I would say, because it is just a plastic tape which has been placed over it. So I will remove the tape. As soon as we remove the tape, the main body is out. So according to this cost, this hand blender cost me around 700 Indian rupees. So this is how this mechanism locks, and these are all the small blades. So my point is, for this 700 rupees and under price, which is a very great tool, I would say, because hand blender is an everyday necessary for a normal household usage. I already checked it in water and juice. It performs really great. I have just shown how its audio, how it sounds. So you have heard that. So once again I will open this and I will show you the motor sound. It is very silent. That's it for this video, guys. This video is very simple and straightforward. So if you like my work, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries and comments and suggestions, please comment down below. Thank you.